In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates, variables, and automation to speed up your catering proposals. If you're creating proposals over and over again, one of the biggest time wasters is starting from scratch every single time. A much better approach is to build one master catering proposal that you can reuse for future bookings. This master template should include the core information you use again and again, like your standard terms, your branding, and your logo. Then, whenever a new client comes in, instead of rebuilding the document, you simply update the client-specific details. This keeps your process faster, more consistent, and much easier to manage, especially when your workload starts to grow. Once your main template is in place, the next thing you'll want to use is variables. Variables are placeholders you insert into the document for information that changes from client to client. For example, instead of typing a client's name manually in multiple places, you can use something like a name variable. The benefit here is simple but powerful. When you update that information once, it automatically changes everywhere that variable appears in the document. That means fewer manual edits, fewer mistakes, and a much more polished final proposal. This is especially helpful for details like client names, event dates, venue information, or pricing labels that appear in several sections. After that, take a look at the automation settings in your template. This is where you can make the process continue smoothly even after the proposal is sent out. In the automations area, you can set up actions that happen automatically once a document is signed. For example, you can have signed proposals move directly into a specific folder in your Google Drive, which helps keep your files organized without any extra effort. You can also set up the system to update the status in your CRM, so your records stay current as soon as a client completes the signing step. When you combine templates, variables, and automations, you create a workflow that saves time and reduces repetitive admin work. Instead of handling the same tasks manually for every booking, you build the process once and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. That makes your proposal process more efficient and gives you more time to focus on serving clients and growing your business. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.